Hi, here's how to set up your UW Club email account on your Samsung smartphone. There are few applications that are already pre-installed on your mobile phone that you can use to import your email from the webmail into your mobile phone. One of them is the email. You can see this envelope with @ in the middle, or the Gmail application, the one with the M symbol in the middle of the envelope. So we're going to use this email application to import UW Club email into the Samsung smartphone. So if you can see this on your desktop, you can click on it directly or click on the apps in the bottom right corner here. So because I can see these on my desktop, I'm just gonna click on it. I already have my Yahoo email set up on these, so I want to add the UW Club email account onto these. For the new latest Samsung phone, you will see a menu option that says more on the top right corner here. You can just click on that and it will give you a drop down, hit on settings. But for those who don't have that option on the top right here, on the bottom left of the button here, click on that and that will give you some extra options. Click on settings. As you can see, I have two emails already, the Hotmail and the Yahoo email. Now to add on the UW Club account, there's a plus symbol here. Click on this plus and then it will ask for the email address that you want to import, which is the UW Club. In this case, let's say Will Smith. willsmith@uwclub.net. I can just select this option here and then put the password. If you would like to see the password you're typing, just click on show password so that you can see, to ensure that you're typing the right password. Okay. And if you would like to send email from this account by default, you can have that checked. Now don't just hit on next, click on manual setup, because we need to configure the server and choose the type of email that we want to set up, type of account. So at first we're going to go for the POP3 account. Hit on this. The username, it puts it as Will Smith. So in this case you need to type the full email address. So I'm going to type that in. The password is correct. If you want to be sure, you can type it again. And the POP3 server is pop3.uwclub.net. So in case you don't see it, you need to type it in. It's all in lowercase. Should all be in lowercase. The security type should be none. The port number should be 110. And delete email from server. This means that if you want to delete email from, whenever you delete anything from the inbox on your mobile phone, you want to be deleted from the webmail. So in this case, I want that. So I'll say when I delete from my inbox, I want the email to be deleted from the webmail, and hit on next. Now this is to configure the outgoing mail server settings so that you are able to send email from your mobile phone. So the SMTP server should be smtp.uwclub.net. The security type should be none. The port number should be 25. And then check the require sign-in if it is not checked. Then your username should be your full email address and your password, and hit on next. Now some other options, the peak schedule, that is every 15 minutes. Off peak schedule, leave that as it is. Leave the synchronized email checked. As I mentioned earlier on, you can enable the send email from this account by default, and if you don't want, have it unchecked. And also notify me when email arrives, you have that checked, and then hit on next. Now it's processing and trying to receive all the emails. The account is already set up. What you just need to do here is to give this account a name, so you can call it uwclub, or you can leave it as your full email address because it's optional. And here you need to put in your name the way you want it displayed to your recipient. So I'm going to leave that as Will Smith, and then click on done. Now it's retrieving all the emails from my webmail. As you can see, it's changed to willsmith@uwclub.net, and this is all my emails. So now I can send email from my mobile phone and receive my UW Club emails on my mobile phone. Thank you.